Hello, it's Rick Bow. I'm down here at the lake today. We're going to demonstrate how I use my generators while I'm towing my fifth wheel. I got this rope spool at Home Depot, and I put an extension cord for the fifth wheel on it. So all I do is unravel it, and I've got this run from here underneath along the frame, and then it goes into here. Okay, after I get it unrolled from there, I just run it down beside the battery. There's an opening, and then it runs under here, and it's zip tied to the frame. I haven't got all my hookups hooked up yet, or my fifth wheel hitch in, but then it goes over the tailgate, goes into the generator box. That's where I have my two Honda EU 2000s hooked up in parallel. And this box here, it's not a full width and it's low profile. And then I got these extra latches on them. You can put a padlock on them, and then this is bolted to the bed of the pickup. I put a vent on this end for the one of the generator's exhaust, and then this is for the air intake. I put this plumbing adapter in the storage compartment for the power cord. Okay, so what I do, I just drop this end after I unplug this from the shore power. I drop this down through here, and then I go under here and plug it up. And then see, this runs all the way to the front to the truck. I've got these little protectors here to keep it from rubbing on the frame. So let's go fire the generators up. Let's see if we can get this AC working. And there's the other exhaust, that other generator. I've kind of got these angled so the exhaust can right out that vent. Same with that one. Plus it's easier to get to the panel. I've got a 12 volt hooked up to this little computer fan. It helps bring cool air in from this grate. And then I've got these bungee cords. In the past I've had more than one on them, because it kind of holds them steady. I riveted these brackets on here to hold these bungee cords, and then I lined the inside of this box with a kind of a sound deadening material. And also, if the generator happened to bump up against the side, it wouldn't scar the generator. But with this setup, I can run down the road with the air conditioner on inside the fifth wheel, and when we get to our campsite, it'll already be cool. And these things, they'll run about 8 hours on a gallon of gas, so they're real efficient. And then when I get to where I'm unhooked, I can just lock them up, and nobody will even know they're in there. But here, let me get them fired up, and we'll run the fifth wheel's AC off of them. Okay, I need to choke these. Turn the switch on. Now they should start on the first pull. These Hondas have always been real good about that. Top vibrates a little bit, so I'll lock it down. But they're not any louder than a Onan running on a motorhome. Okay, we've got power in here. Let's flip this on. You can hear the generators ramp up. Get in and see how louder it is in here. I can hear them running, but I really can't hear them over the AC fan. That's not bad at all. And we'll let it run for a few minutes, start cooling the fifth wheel off. Then we'll check the temperature at the exhaust. This is a 15K air conditioner, and then we also have this residential refrigerator, so that generator is powering both those, plus the inverter. But back here in the living room, you can just barely hear generators running. And then, like if we were going to boondock overnight in a parking lot, up here in the bedroom, you can hear it, but not bad at all. And those generators should run all night long on one refill. check temperature right here. Computer fan running, bringing in cold air. Let me shut these off. Then I can just unplug it. And I got this cap. Put it on there to keep things out of my generator box. And then just close this up. And it's ready for the next adventure. There's what it looks like when the hitch is out and everything's unhooked. See from the side you can't even see it. I just feel pretty safe with it being in there all locked up. If I had to set it outside here and plug into it, you could use it going down the road, plus it would be more likely to, people could see what you had and be more likely to steal it. Please like and subscribe. Talk to everybody later. Bye.